Are you getting tired of slow speeds on your computer? I've got just the thing for you. So what I've got you that'll speed up your computer. It's called Tiny 11, guys. Let's get into it. Let's show you how to install it. So what is Tiny 11? This is it basically, guys. It's basically Windows 11 but without all the bloatware, and you can run it off pretty much any system you want. This system's running off i7 CPU, got 16 gig of RAM, which is alright, it's normal, but the CPU is a pretty old one, so it does help on this computer. But how do you install Tiny 11? Well, you're gonna have to have a working computer already, I say, but you do need it. And then you're gonna want to go over to your Google. This link will be down in the description. You go to archive.org, right? The link will be in the description, and you will need to make an account, guys, to be able to download it. Then you scroll down and then go to show all, and then pick the one that you want. I suggest B1 or B2 or no system requirement. Once you've downloaded it, you're going to want something called Rufus, and download this, guys. I'm not going to show you how to do that. There's plenty of videos out there showing you. Once you have Rufus, guys, you're going to want to open Rufus up, or you're going to need a USB stick. Right, so there you go, and it's already selected my USB, and it already has Tiny 11 on that USB, to be honest. And then you're going to click on disk or ISO image, select, and then you're going to find your Tiny 11 ISO that you've just downloaded, and obviously click on it. Leave all this standard, that's what I did, it worked, and then press start. This will change your USB into a bootable drive, so if you have got anything on there, I do recommend backing that up somewhere else beforehand. I'm not going to do this bit because I've already done it. Next step, you're going to have to make your computer boot from a USB. It's different in different BIOSes, so I can't really show you that bit. But I think it's normally F11 or F12 before you start your computer up. And then you go over to startup, possibly. USB, you move your USB to the top so it knows to boot from that. So once you're booted in from your USB, this is what will, then you just select your language and the format and everything. So I am in the United Kingdom. It was right there. So once you get to this bit, select your location for your time currency format, which is not that, it's that one, and then press next. I accept, next, then allocate to the right drive. You may need to format it, well, you will need to format it, but I don't, because this is just clean install for me. But you just click that and format, and then next, and then we just wait for this to do. Now at this point, you want to remove the USB that you put in to your computer. Remove this bit and wait for it to restart. Now let's come to this bit. Obviously, if you, wherever you are, you pick your country or your region, just like you would with a normal Windows. Now it's asking for your name and a password of your choice. And now you're going to pick three questions. Now, I always click no. I don't want them to know anything. No. Required only. Accept. No. 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 And there we go, guys. That is how to install Windows 11. Now you will want to go in and do the updates. I'm sure you know how to do that. If you don't, let me know down in the comments and I'll walk you through it. Guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Leave us a comment down below. Guys, as always, I will catch you on the next one.